Campaigns mag siro jalup ker William Ruto elek mare mar laro kom ker yiero maduong' ma higa manyien. Tim noero e buo mabul margi mar Lake Front for Ruto owacho ni gibiro chako timo campaigns e counties ang'wen mag Luo Nyanza, Monywando, Kisumu, Homa Bay, Siaya kaachiel kod Migori. Jakom mar UDA bade ma Kisumu Migosi John Odenyo matayo tim noero e timo campaigns makamago owacho ni giseikore mar limo kuonde duto e kor gwenge mag Luo Nyanza mondo gimanya sir ne jalup ker William Ruto e ng'wech mare mar laro kom ker e yiero maduong' mar higa mar 2022.
Today, the Luo nation is not speaking of economic might. The Luo nation is speaking of political might. And the political might revolves around one person. It is time we broke the yoke around our necks. Yes. This is the time. Yes. And we are not changing.
This is the time.
Right. And the person to lead us as a Kenyan national leader is William Samoei Ruto. Is who? William Samoei Ruto. Yes. Therefore, in order to exercise our right to elect accountable leaders of our choice as a people and to enjoy inclusive economic growth from the grassroots, we urge Luos, all Luos, to join us in UDA, register as voters, and wait for the opportune time to make the change you desire. UDA! UDA! UDA!
We have changed, and we have to make a change in the society. We understand where we are coming from as a region, and the politics as dominated here we know very well. Therefore, we as the youth and the women, we are here to make a drastic change and to say that our voices are the most important tool in the society.
Yes. Amen.
Your vote is your weapon. Therefore, I urge all women and all youth, come out as strong, because the society built without women and youth is no longer a society.